Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 11:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hagerstown, Municipal Stadium, Robinwood, Fountainhead Orchard Hills, Paramount Longmeadow, Wilson Conococheague, Williamsport, St. James, Longmeadow, Halfway, Morgansville, Funkstown, Leitersburg, Clear Spring, Keywesville, Big Spring, Big Pool, Middleburg, Warrenton, Bridgeport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.